Hello everyone, I'm so excited to introduce you our final project, a MovieBot, a conversation AI for movie question and answer. Here our group 3, our group member is Weihao Zhao, Yunjin You, and Jiasen Niu. This idea behind MovieBot is simple, to build a chatbot that can engage in human-like conversation and provide factual answer about movies, such as release date, cast, genre, and the plot summarized. Let's move on the project overview. The goal of our project is to design a question and answer based chatbot for movie discussions. MovieBot doesn't recommend films. Instead, it focuses purely on retrieving accurate information about a movie when a user asks a question. To achieve this, we're using the following technologies: OpenAI GPT for language understanding, sentence transformers for semantic similarity, Facey for fast similarity search over movie metadata, Flask to build the front-end web interface. The chatbot is capable of answering a range of questions such as who started in Inception, what is the plot of Titanic, or when was Avenger released. It supports answer based on title, year, cast, genre, and the plot summary. Here is how the architecture of MovieBot works. On the front end, we build a Flask-based web application. The interface is lightweight and responsive, built using HTML and Bootstrap, allowing user to chat with the bot in real time. On the backend, user input the first analyzed using sentence transformers, which convert the question into the semantic vector. The vector is compared with the precede movie vectors stored in Faceit index, enabling us to find the closest match even with the fuzzy wording. Once the match is found, the backend extra relevant information like a cast year and a summary and generates a response using structured tempos. This module design fronted for interaction, backend for processing, semantic modeling for understanding, and faces for fast retrieval, makes the system both efficient and scalable.
Hi everyone, my name is Weihao Zhao. Let me talk about the data processing about our chatbot. In this part, our project built a fast search system using Fuzzy. We start by reading a movie.json file, the data set, which has a movie detail like title, actor, genre, and plot. Then we break the plot into short pieces and turn each pieces into a vector using a sentence transformer model. These vectors help us understand the meaning of the text. After that, we use fast to create an index so that the chatbot can quickly find the most similar answer based on users' question. This model is like building the brain memory. It's where the chatbot looks up information when users ask something. The next part is the question answering logic. It's is this part is where the most of the chatbot's logic happens. It has two main functions. First, answer movie questions. Tries to find answer to questions like who starts in Titanic. If it finds the match in our data, it, it will give the answer. If not, it searches the face index and uses the transformer model to find the most relevant sentence. And second, recommend by general helps when users ask for movie suggestions, like can you recommend a comedy? It picks movies from the same genre and avoids repeating titles the user already got. This module is what makes the chatbot smart. It understands what you want and gives helpful answers. Next is the chatbot for small talk. In real conversations, users often say things like hello, thank you, or bye. They are not relevant movie questions, but we still want to chatbots to respond. That's why we added a fallback module using Chatterbot. It is trained on English small talk, so when the user input doesn't match any movie-related pattern, or if the model isn't confident, we fall back to Chatterbot. This way, the chatbot always has something to say, even outside the movie topic. It's simple but makes the chatbot feel more friendly and human-like. And next, I will pass to my group member. He will talk about the web interface and the chatbot demo.
Hi everyone, my name is Justin Yu. Now let me take you through a real example of how users interact with MovieBot. The conversation began with a simple greeting, hello or hi, and the bot respond warmly. Now I move on and ask, can you give me some more movie? Immediately MovieBot responds with a list of relevant titles like Freedom, Space, Bruiser, Devotion, and all quite on listed from all sort by year. Then I ask follow-up question, who cast the movie and tell me about it. MovieBot return accurate answer about the cast, general release years, and even a detailed plot summary. The interaction and on a plot note. This flow show how MovieBot combine casual small talk, flexible question handling, and structured movie knowledge all in one conversation. So after building the test MovieBot, the first thing we found was that the semantic search worked successfully. The sentence transfer mode could handle fuzzy queries and still give relevant answers. Second, the interaction between components was smooth. The fast engine connect well with our question and answer pipeline and fallback some small talks to chatbot at a friendly touch. We also faced the limitation. Our dataset was relatively small, which means that question about a new movie often failed. Another issue was memory. MovieBot doesn't remember past message. Each question is treated independently. There's no ongoing conversation. And lastly, it only supports English, so user who prefer other language can benefit from the chatbot yet. In summary, our goal was to create a chatbot that could hold a natural conversation about movie. MovieBot can answer a wide variety of movie-related questions, use semantic understanding to interact with import, and even respond politely in casual interaction, but we see this as just the beginning. In the future, we would like to expand the dataset so that MovieBot covers more titles and genres. We also want to improve the machine logic so that bot can help to tackle or incomplete question even better. Another big goal is to support a multilingual input so user can ask in their native language. And finally, we would like to give MovieBot context and actually follow the flow of a conversation. This is our reference. Next, this all is our presentation. Thank you, guys.